Time is your most valuable asset, and the internet is full of hidden tools waiting to give it back. In this video, we'll explore 10 insanely useful websites that can save you hundreds of hours, whether you're working, creating, or just living smarter. Let's dive into the mesh. Number 1. Gamma.ai. Imagine building presentations without ever touching a design tool. Gamma lets you create stunning, interactive decks powered by AI. No formatting, no templates, just your ideas flowing beautifully. Forget PowerPoint. This is the future of presenting. Number 10 will be insane, wait for it. Number 2. Remove.bg. In a rush to clean up an image? Remove.bg wipes backgrounds from any photo in seconds, literally one click, and it's done. Perfect for content creators, editors, and anyone who wants fast, clean results. Number 3. Dictation.io. Why type when you can speak? Dictation.io turns your voice into text, emails, essays, notes, all hand-free. No downloads, no fuss. Just speak and it writes. Number 4. TinyWow.com. Think of it as your digital Swiss Army knife. TinyWow offers tools to convert files, edit PDFs, compress videos, and more, all free. No sign up, and files are deleted after 15 minutes. Quick, safe, powerful. Number 5. Screenshot.Guru. Need a clean, high-res screenshot of a full web page? Screenshot.Guru captures beautiful images from any URL, no clutter, no browser extensions. Just enter the link and get a crisp, share-ready result. Number 6. Supercook.com. Open your fridge. Type what you have. Supercook instantly finds recipes using only the ingredients you already own. Saving time and preventing waste? That's genius. Number 7. Darebee.com. Your brain needs a healthy body. Darebee gives you access to over 1,800 plus free workouts, all body weight. No ads, no BS. Whether you're a beginner or a beast, it's all here. Number 8. Archive.org. The past digitized. Archive.org is a massive online library, millions of books, movies, games, software, and even old websites. Research, nostalgia, or deep dives, it's a goldmine of forgotten content. Number 9. Pexels.com. Stock footage, but make it beautiful and free. Pexels gives you access to thousands of royalty-free photos and videos. No watermarks, no credit cards. Just download and go. Number 10. Number 10 is my favorite. WikiHow.com. How do you do? Well, anything. WikiHow is a global knowledge base teaching you everything from fixing a sink to flying a drone. It's like having a mentor for every task, right in your browser. These websites don't just save time. They upgrade how you live, work, and create. Which one are you trying first? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tapped into the mesh, where the future is always now.